Hey everyone, this is Jacob at Best Battery. We're in Wildwood, Florida, just down the street from Brownwood Square in the Villages. This is where all of our installations happen. We want to show you guys inside where the magic happens. Hey everyone, Jacob at Best Battery here. I want to thank you for joining us. We just wanted to give you a rundown of our operation here. Right now you're standing in our lobby area. We've got all of our battery brands on display that we're an authorized dealer for. A waiting space if you ever want to discuss project details. Back this way, this is what we call our finishing room, our product testing room, our R&D room, all of the above. This is where we test all of our new products, existing products that we sell, and we do a lot of diagnostics in here. We're working on a couple of projects right now. If you want to follow me into this spot, this is where the magic happens, where all the lithium, all the motors, controllers, all the work is done. We've got a couple special projects we're working on here. We've got a station for our technician back there so he can do all of his diagnostic work, research. We keep everything we need in stock for all of our installations, whether you're doing a Bolt, an Eco, an Epoch, or any other brand that we may service or sell. We keep batteries in stock, and we'll also help customers with all of their lead acid recycling and disposal. And from there, we'll head back to our lobby. Back out to our lobby. We're a small business, family owned. We've been in business for 32 years. If you're looking to get the top quality service on your lithium batteries, your golf cart, motors, controllers, give us a call, 352-640-1225. We're right down the road from Brownwood Square in the Villages, Florida. Thanks for joining us.